Ever wondered what these abbreviations in compliance mean? Well, today, you're in for a treat, as we dive into the most common abbreviations used in the field of compliance. Starting off with ABC, which stands for the Association of Banks in Cambodia. This organization is responsible for promoting cooperation among banks and financial institutions in Cambodia. Next up is AML, short for anti-money laundering. This refers to a set of procedures, laws and regulations designed to stop the practice of generating income through illegal actions. BFI is an abbreviation for Bank and Financial Institution. This term is used to represent all banks and financial institutions that provide financial services to customers. BO, which stands for Beneficial Owners, refers to individuals who enjoy the benefits of ownership, even though the title of some form of property is in another's name. CMA, or Cambodian Microfinance Association, is an organization that represents the interests of the microfinance sector in Cambodia. The next abbreviation is CBC, which stands for the Credit Bureau of Cambodia. This institution provides credit information services to its members, including banks, financial institutions, and credit operators. CDD is short for Customer Due Diligence. This is a process that businesses carry out to verify their customers' identity and assess their suitability, along with the potential risks of illegal intentions towards the business relationship. CFT stands for Combating the Financing of Terrorism, which is the set of procedures aimed at preventing funding that may reach individuals who aim to carry out acts of terrorism. CO, or Credit Officer, is a term used to describe an individual who is responsible for assessing a customer's loan application. ECDD is an abbreviation for Enhanced Customer Due Diligence. This is a more detailed version of CDD that is conducted in higher risk situations. FATF is short for Financial Action Task Force. This is an intergovernmental organization that develops policies to combat money laundering and terrorism financing. KYC, or Know Your Customer, is a process used by a business to verify the identity of its clients and assess potential risks of illegal intentions for the business relationship. MFI stands for Microfinance Institution. These institutions provide financial services such as loans, savings, and insurance to low-income individuals or groups. MDI, short for Microfinance Deposit Taking Institution, is a microfinance institution that is licensed to accept deposits from the public. NBC, or National Bank of Cambodia, is the Central Bank of Cambodia. NGO stands for Non-Governmental Organization. This is a non-profit, citizen-based group that operates independently of government. OFAC is short for Office of Foreign Assets Control. This is a department of the US Treasury that enforces economic and trade sanctions against countries and groups of individuals involved in terrorism, narcotics, and other disreputable activities. PAP stands for Politically Exposed Persons. These are individuals who have been entrusted with a prominent public function. SOF is an abbreviation for Source of Funds. This refers to the origin of the particular funds or other assets which are the subject of the business relationship between a financial institution and its customer. SOW stands for Source of Wealth. This refers to the origin of a person's total assets. STR is short for Suspicious Transaction Report. This is a report made by a financial institution about suspicious or potentially suspicious activity. UNSCR, or United Nations Security Council Resolution, is a type of legally binding resolution made by the United Nations Security Council. Lastly, UNSC stands for United Nations Security Council. This is one of the 6 principal organs of the United Nations, charged with ensuring international peace and security. And there you have it, a comprehensive list of abbreviations in compliance. From AML to UNSC, these abbreviations are integral to understanding the world of compliance. Remember, these aren't just abbreviations, but key terms that help us navigate the complex landscape of rules, regulations, and responsibilities in the financial world. So the next time you come across these abbreviations, you'll know exactly what they mean.